subscribe, support, stay positive. Well, welcome to 59, vlog 59. Okay. As you know, it's kind of snowing right now, and we have a big snowstorm. I'm kind of in town right now, and I think I'm gonna probably be in town for the rest of the week, probably staying with Hamza, because basically this is a big snowstorm, and so avoid from getting run over. Apparently, yes, I'm wearing the goggles. Red light. That means stop. If you don't stop, you will get a freaking ticket! You hear me? That's right! You don't stop, you get a ticket! How many times do I have to say this to you? If you don't stop, you will get a ticket! I got a ticket with your name on it right here! That's right, Bubby! I got a ticket for you! Oh yeah! I'm gonna give you the Ernest Swirly! And I'm gonna give you the Almighty! Because, oh yeah! Because I'm the... Crap. Shoot, I was going good on that, Shoot, if you can tell me what wrestler that was... Oh yeah, I'll snap into a Slim Jim. Everybody knows who that is. So this is 59, and it's snowing. Not snowing that hard, but it's gonna collect, and it's gonna start collecting. And when you say the word snow or storm here in Black Mountain, North Carolina, everybody freaks out and goes to the local grocery store. So, yeah, it's snowing. And, by the way, if I get this wrong, I basically have to restart everything. But don't worry, I'm probably not. Yes, okay. But catch you guys later. Well, folks, this is how... It's still coming down. It's supposed to get worse at it's supposed to get worse at like around lunchtime or 12 o'clock. The roads are it's slick, but it's sticking, and it's supposed to get worse. Oh, that's great. Well, I've been wanting to snow for a while, but that's good how to start this vlog out with it snowing. I started out before. Oh, by the way, I hate to do this, but it was Macho Man Randy Savage. And the other footage, you'll probably guess, but then I'll say, yeah, it was Macho Man Randy Savage. May he rest in peace. He passed away a while back ago. He was driving his car and had a heart. He, I think, apparently drove into a tree, then had a heart attack. What a way to go. But, you know, it's, just down here. I'm walking around town in the snow. Snow is collecting on my hat. I don't know, not much is collecting on my hat, but I'm just enjoying myself walking. But, folks, just want to keep you updated. I'll probably do some footage today, do some footage tomorrow. See how much snow we get. This is a storm. Apparently they gave it a name. I can't remember what it's called. It's not that much right now, but they say it's supposed to be up to a foot or something. You know, go to your knees, but it hasn't done much. It's still snowing, and so I'm wearing my my dress shoes, and I thought. Well, here's the thing. There's holes in my boots because sometimes I scrape my feet because my other boots that I have at my work, if I zip them up, my ankles swell up. And so I had to basically, you know, I thought, okay, here's what I'll do. I'll walk up to Hamza's that's where I was coming from. I got me a bag of movies. So, you know, maybe I can watch them with somebody. And I thought I could get, like, what I could do is take my dress shoes and squeeze them into my boots. And maybe I could try that and try sliding the shoes into the inside of the boots, but that didn't work. I tried it. I was like, oh, shoot, my shoes are as big as my boots are smaller than my shoes, so it wouldn't fit. So this is like a big storm. We got a big snowstorm we have on us right now, and I'll be seeing more snow during the day. I wanted to get out and then I wanted to walk in it. I love walking in the snow. That's one thing I love doing. It's very majestic and I just love it all around. Just love walking in the snow. So right now I'm just here in town enjoying myself and just trying to think. Maybe I might extend this piece of vlog footage to ask this person if they know the name of what the storm is called, because they're giving it a name. I know that for a fact. Always look both ways before you cross the road, just to let you know that. You probably know that already. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I gave Crystal, the Valentine's Day is coming up, so maybe I can make it to Valentine's Day and show you when I'm giving people stuff. So yeah, I have like 10 things of footage to go until maybe I can make it towards that time. And you know, just let me check here and see what the name of the snowstorm is, because I remember they named it. Ooh, windy. Ooh, snow is collecting. So we're walking here. Hey, sir. Didn't they name the snowstorm? Didn't they give the snowstorm a name since it was so big?
Yeah, but I can't remember.
Me either. I'm trying to remember what they called it.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
Pax.
Pax? Yeah. That's what they named the snowstorm. Since the snowstorm is so big and has so much snow in it, they called it Pax. Snowstorm Pax. I think the name is kind of perfect because it's packed full of snow. You know, just packed full of snow. So, so what's the name of your shop here?
Corner store.
Huh?
Corner store.
I'm here in Black Mountain. I'm here at the corner store here in Black Mountain. They have all sorts of things. Beer, wine, anything you could want. And it's all good stuff down here. So if you're ever here in Black Mountain, come down here to the corner store here in Black Mountain, North Carolina. Good place to come. Good place to see, I have to say. Not very nice, very tranquil. I vlog. But I'll catch you guys later. Hey folks, back here again. So I just got out of Pizza Hut. And, well, look who it is. It's the Heisenberg of Pizza Hut. Can you say that classic line?
Classic line.
From you know what Heisenberg said.
I don't remember it.
Sire, don't you ever. I don't have to be afraid of anything. I am the danger. I am the one that knocks. I am the I think that's how it goes.
It was good seeing you today, buddy.
Yeah, it's good seeing you too.
I hope you get home safe. Be careful of the people driving.
Yeah. Is it still snowing or is this?
Yeah, it is. It's a light flurry right now. It might pick up.
What do you think? How much snow we're gonna get today?
It could be anywhere from 4 inches to 14.
So this is just a light flurry.
We're underneath a severe winter storm warning right now.
What's the name of the PAX? Is that the name of it?
What?
That's the name of the storm.
Yeah, PAX.
Why would
It's covering all 52 states.
Really? Which states? Here, North Carolina, and
North Carolina, Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., New York, Wisconsin, Delaware, everywhere is covered under this storm.
So how long do we have to deal with this storm for? 2 days?
It's supposed to snow through tomorrow, possibly Friday.
Possibly Friday. That's Valentine's Day.
I know, right?
That'd be sucky for a lot of people. Well, you know, I know a lot of people will be celebrating if they're already couples.
I'm engaged, so.
Congratulations. So looks like somebody's gonna get 2 in the head.
She ain't gonna be able to make it down. She lives all the way in Hot Springs.
Ooh, so cyber, as I call it.
They got a foot of snow out there in Hot Springs. And that's only an hour and a half away.
You know, as they say, cyber sex is the best thing. Just screwing around. Catch you guys later. This is what it looks like for me right now. It's just really...
It's coming down.
Yeah, it's coming down. That's what she said. Catch you later. Hey folks, it's me, Tommy again. I'm going to extend this vlog. I wanted to... Wow. The snow is... We think we're going to have like 14 inches. And so... I just want to show you what it looks like right now. We're under a storm warning. This is the storm. So I'm walking back over to Hamza's because I don't want anybody to drive me home. I can go over there myself. The snow is getting thick. Very thick. So I'm just heading down here to Hamza's. And here's where it looks. Yeah, it's basically like a blizzard. So yeah, I'm walking in this right now, and I love walking in the snow. Honestly, it's one of my favorite things to do. Very majestic. And so right now I'm just walking over to Hamza's, and well folks, well, this is what it looks like here. Catch you later. Hey guys, it's me again. Well, this is what it looks like in town when there's a blizzard practically here. We're supposed to get 14 inches more of snow, basically. And whew, it is already thick. This snow is thick, yeah, strong. And I'm just, I was spending the night with Hamza, but I saw it blazing and snowing. I decided I want to go adventuring. Very exciting. Yes, I wanted to go exploring and look around and see all the sights of the snow. It's like a ghost town here. It's like 8 o'clock or 9. I'm walking down to see if it was... I think all the businesses are closed. But, anybody, I think you probably are affected by this, but, I am. But, whew, it is chilly. Yes, this is a homemade scarf. It's basically a dress shirt. I was looking for a good thing to use. Even the snow plows are out. They're doing some good. They're doing some good, but not that much because they're just digging up the snow, but they are, I would say. But, what do I know? But, yeah. Practically a ghost town right now. But, yeah, there was nobody in the grocery stores, and it's just ghost town. Look at this. Yeah, I got different shoes now. I got my boots. They work. And they don't have holes in them. Those are the other boots. Catch you later. Hey folks, back here again. So I'm here in the parking lot of Ingles. And it is just... parking lot is just filled with snow. Wet also. And it's just been it's snowing off and on. I don't know. Ooh, there's the wind. Hello there. Wish you guys could feel this. It's pretty chilly right now. Tried using my snow boots, but I had to go back to my, I used them last night, but it wasn't so wet, so I had to end up, just, using, I shot the footage last night. Everything was just fine. My boots, my feet were just fine, weren't soaked. I started wearing my, my boots again today, and it's all soaked. Some of the stuff has been melting, and then my feet started getting soaked, and I was just like, damn it. Okay, so I had to take my boots off, and now I'm just left to where I'm wearing my dress shoes. So sidewalks, I have to kind of like walk in the road a little bit. Don't know where I'm going right now. Where my feet take me, I'm going. So right now, it's just, car's in the way. I mean, I'm in the way of the car. Buggy corrals, covered in snow, filled up with snow. McDonald's, yeah, they're open. They're open, surprisingly. We want you to come in when it's snowing. We don't care how you get in. We don't care if you go into a ditch. We want you here at McDonald's to flip hamburgers and feed people. So, yeah. Oh, jeez. I am not walking through that. I'll catch you later, folks. Here I go sledding. That was me going down the... Not wearing the right kind of shoes right now. Yeah. Woo! Woo! I wore the wrong shoes today. Knowing me, I wear no shoes of traction.
Let's get on that path.
Look at that, somebody brought an air mattress.
I go to the wrong earth.
Oh.
Can you pick up Jade?
What?
And I'll hold the sled.
Okay, gotta go, folks. Getting ready to perform the greatest stunt in the world.
Let's go, girls.
Oh, okay, I can finish this. I can finish this. Hold on, folks, I got this. I am. Whee! Oh, I got a wedgie. Oh. Hey, there goes my sled. Whoa. God. Whoa. This is insane, folks. Sledding. This is fun. Gotta go, folks. With you. Here. Okay, hey guys, get ready to jump on this inner tube and go down this hill.
You ready to go, Tom?
Yes, I am.
Lift your ass up.
Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ah! If you smell what the rock is cooking! Folks, I hope you enjoyed that. That was better than a lot of the other experiences I've had on the slide. So catch you later, folks. That's how many people were up there. Ow! Hey guys, if you look at TommyNC2010 at YouTube.com, you will see yourself going down the hill. This is a vlog. Well, folks, this is what I got for Ashley for Valentine's Day.
Hey, come down here. You want to see what Tommy got here?
That's it's a teddy bear and some chocolates and a bouquet of chocolates and all sorts of goodies inside there. And here's Ashley.
Who's that?
Huh?
Oh, I thought you were talking to somebody else.
No. Oh, by the way, new news now. I've just learned from my friends. Chris Perillo, the guy that I look up to, is going to be a daddy. Yes, he is going to be a daddy, and that's the reason why Vlogger Fair was pushed back to August, is because Diana is pregnant. And they're going to have a little one of these, you know. Chris, I hope you're ready, but it's Valentine's Day. I'm excited because I'm going to Chuck E. Cheese. Yes, I'm going to Chuck E. Cheese. I have not been to Chuck E. Cheese since I was a little kid. Who's on our way? Catch you guys later. Well, guys, this is the end of vlog 59, and so 59 vlogs. How about that? So we had a blizzard come through here. We have whenever you can vlog, there's either somebody talking behind you or a barking dog. Apparently, I don't like vlogging. I don't like vlogging. Okay. That's why I came out here, Steve. But so we had a blizzard out here, and okay, trying to get my head here straight. We had a blizzard. It snowed some bit. It snowed a bit out here, and just to say that I've been in town mostly this weekend. Been hanging out with some of my friends, and I gave some Valentine's gifts away, and as I said, I was told by some of my friends that Chris Perillo is going to be a daddy, and that's very exciting. I can't believe it. That's a shocker. So I think a lot of the fans knew it, that this day was going to come. That Chris Perillo was going to be a daddy at one point. And, he's such a, he's a hard worker, and I'm going to finally say this name. I haven't said it for a while, so I'm finally going to say it. I want to give a shout out to Wet Movie 1. And I'm going to say it. Cool Duder. I'm going to give a shout out to Cool Duder. He's an awesome guy. Go check his channel out. Really good guy. And he's just really positive. He does movie reviews, and he has a monthly shopping video. John the Flickster, he's one of these guys that's just off the rebound, crazy. It's just like Bowflex. Oh yes. Hey, how you doing? Yeah. Oh yeah. You feeling good? Oh yeah. You feeling good? Yeah. Yeah. You're feeling really good. So, and also want to give a shout out to William Mackinac. Shout out to Sega Cam Gamer, the real Sega Cam Gamer, Michael. And the thing is, all the different YouTubers. Shout out to. I give a shout out to a bunch of YouTubers that. Okay, here's the thing. People that make videos here on YouTube, I give my support to you. I appreciate what you're doing, hard work. And even if I haven't said your name, my appreciation goes out to you. But if you are a person that doesn't make videos and doesn't, do anything, I'm not going to even acknowledge you. And the thing is, it's all about picking up a camera and doing it. Inspiration, reaching out to the community, and doing what you can. You just need to do what you can. And as always, folks, I am Tommy NC 2010, and I'm keeping you on the inside fact.